Hello everyone. Today we are going to study another type of electron displacement which is known as electromeric effect. Before going to start electromeric effect, we have to know about permanent effect and temporary effect. Which one are permanent effect and which one are temporary effect? Inductive effect and resonance effect are permanent effect, and electromeric effect is temporary effect. In this video, we cover temporary effect, that is electromeric effect. First, definition of electromeric effect. Definition: this is a temporary effect, complete transfer of pi electron to other atom joined by multiple bond under influence of reagent. Means what? It is a temporary effect, and in this effect transfer of pi electron by the influence of any other reagent. Example: A and B. There is double bond between A and B. If electronegativity different, then this pi bond shifted here, and this B acquired partial negative charge and A acquired partial positive charge. I will give you some key points of electromeric effect. First, electromeric effect is a kind of electron displacement effect. Okay. First key point is it is a kind of electron displacement effect. Okay. Then it is a temporary effect. And this effect occur when reagent is added. When it is occur when any other reagent is added. Okay. It involves shifting of pi electrons. Shifting of pi electrons, and it is of two types. Two types of electromeric effect are present. These are the key point of the electromeric effect. Now we discuss about the types of electromeric effect. There are two types of electromeric effect: plus E effect and minus E effect. In plus E effect, the reagent is electrophilic, and in minus E effect, nucleophilic reagent is attached. We take one example. C double bond C. In this example, reagent is H plus. Okay, means electrophile. When electrophilic reagent is attached here, then this pi bond shifted here, and this carbon having a partial negative charge and this carbon having a partial positive charge. This negative charge attracts this electrophilic reagent. Therefore, the product is this bond break and this C means H plus ion attach here, and this carbon having a delta positive charge. And in minus E effect, example C double bond C, and reagent is electrophilic reagent means Cn minus. Okay. When this bond shifted toward this carbon, then this carbon having a partial negative charge and this carbon having a partial positive charge. This cyanide group having a negatively charged ion, therefore this negatively charged ion attract positively charged carbon. Therefore product is formed. Here Cn group attach and here negative charge in this type. How I explain this plus E effect and minus E effect? What happen here? Here pi electrons of multiple bond are transferred to that atom to which reagent gets attached. Means where these pi electron transfer, these carbon attach the reagent. And in minus E effect, pi electrons of multiple bond are transferred to that atom to which reagent does not attach. Means opposite to that carbon cyanide group is attached. Okay. Means here reagents are attached. This is a reagent and this reagent H plus is a electron deficient. This reagent are attached where pi electron transferred, and in minus E effect reagents are attached where pi electron not transferred. I hope you clear to all this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.